Alrighty guys, back on MulWark again. They were kind enough to send us Countersink bits. Let's see, quick change Countersink drill bits. 5 pieces of replacement drill bit. So, I love the retro looking box. I mean, this is like something you would have seen in the 80s. Love that. Just the color of it, of course, that color is pretty consistent with their brand. Yeah, I think that's one of their main colors. But it looks really good on that paper box. Retro. I love it. So what do you get in here? You get several different countersink bits. Okay, now this one is number 12, number 5, number 8, number 10, and number 6. Now, depending on how you want your project to look, because they have to pre-drill hole, to pre-drill the hole. If you want it to just countersink and kind of sit flush, you're going to want to try to use the bit that's closest, the countersink part is closest to the shape of the screw. I've never really understood the sitting flush, but each their own, right? I've seen guys do it in wood projects. It looks great. I don't have a problem with it. Just, so you do have extra drill bits with it. Looks like one for each one of those, and they're different sizes. So you're gonna make sure that you put the right size in the right bit. Plus, it's got a Allen wrench that comes with it. That way, you can easily put it in here, loosen that up, take your bit out. Well, your bit's supposed to come out. This one might take a little bit of force to get out. Huh. Yep. That one's going to take a little... Oh, yeah, I was pulling it the wrong way. You push it through the bottom. I'm an idiot. You get your drill bit out. You put it back in. Well, that makes more sense, because now you can push it up all the way. And it's already set for you. It shows you that I don't use very many countersink bits. And then you tighten it back. I've got a couple of countersink bits laying around somewhere in the basement. I used them once for one project. They didn't have the countersinkers, or the drill, the pre-drill pilot hole driller thing on the end of them. So, yeah, getting the screw lined up after countersinking was not the greatest, easiest of things to do. Okay, my robo vacuum is running off with my cord. Didn't really want him to do that. So, you know what? We got this box here from the last thing we got from MulWark. We're going to throw these right in here. Just because it'll be a nice little box to hold our countersink bits. So, we'll try to find a product or a project to use those on sometime here in the future. As far as for right now, I don't have a lot of projects going on. Just mainly work, and I mean it's hard for me to even find time to sit down and do a video at the moment. So we'll try to find something to work on that with. Play on that. Put the link for this down below in the description. Make sure you check that out. Give those people from MulWark some love. I'm sure they will come in very handy as soon as I can find a project that would require me to countersink. Oh, which I'll have a project as soon as I can get some time off work. You just need some time off work so I can actually do something. So that's all. Bye.